Kids taken away after mom brings sick baby to ER. Josh Sabby and Sarah Perkins recall the chain of events that led to authorities seizing both their children from their home in the middle of the night on the Ingram Angle. The family of an 11-year-old Florida boy says he died from an infection just weeks after twisting his ankle on a treadmill. Jesse Brown's family told Fox 35 Orlando that he was a healthy fifth grader who rode motocross and was always on the go before he twisted his ankle on a treadmill, possibly scratching himself, a few weeks ago, which triggered a chain of events that led to him losing his life. A few days after the ankle injury, Brown woke up with bruises that alarmed his family. His whole leg was covered in splotchy, purpley, red, almost like bruises, Megan Brown, Jesse's cousin, told the outlet. Mother, stepfather accused of torturing children in House of Horrors as missing child feared dead. Jesse Brown, 11, died from an infection after twisting his ankle on a treadmill. Jesse Brown, 11, died from an infection after twisting his ankle on a treadmill. Fox 35 Orlando. Shortly after that, Brown was admitted to an intensive care unit where he was told by doctors he had group A strep infection, which turned into flesh-eating bacteria that caused his brain to swell and ultimately killed him. They said that because he rolled his ankle, that's likely where the infection attacked it, Megan Brown said. Because it was already weak. Getting sepsis in the hospital is a red flag for future heart attacks, study finds. Jesse Brown's cousin, Megan, speaks to Fox 35 Orlando. Jesse Brown's cousin, Megan, speaks to Fox 35 Orlando. Fox 35 Orlando. In my mind, I was in complete disbelief. I was like, he'll be fine. This could never happen to our family. Dr. Candace Jones, an Orlando pediatrician, told the outlet that there has been an uptick in strep A cases in children but that most are not as severe as Brown's. Some of the speculations has been that some of those cases started after respiratory infections, and we had been seeing an uptick in those types of infections anyway post-pandemic, Jones said. Jones says that group A strep is the same bacteria that causes strep throat and can sometimes cause secondary infections like the flesh-eating infection that Brown suffered. Jones said symptoms to look for are swelling, redness, foul smell, and fever. Brown's family says they hope the experience will help others notice warning signs in the future. If there was more awareness, maybe we could have caught it earlier when we noticed he had a fever, Megan Brown said.